In today's digital world, keeping children safe online is more important than ever before. Smartphones, social media, and messaging apps have made life easier, but they have also increased risks for kids. That's why many parents are turning to smart monitoring tools like mSpy. mSpy is a parental control app designed to help parents stay aware of their child's digital activity. It allows parents to monitor calls, messages, and social media usage in one simple dashboard. One of its most powerful features is WhatsApp monitoring. This helps parents understand who their child is talking to and what kind of content they are exposed to. It gives a clear overview, helping parents take action before any serious problem happens. The goal of mSpy is not control, it is protection. It helps parents build a safer digital environment for their children without constant physical supervision. In a world where online threats are increasing every day, awareness is the best defense. Tools like mSpy simply make that awareness easier and faster. But remember, technology works best when combined with trust, communication, and responsibility. If you care about your child's online safety, this could be a helpful solution for you. Link in description.